Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will discuss shear force bending moment diagram of cantilever beam with a point load. Cantilever beam with a point load. So cantilever is just like this is a cantilever beam of length L supported with a point load say W Newton. Length is L. Suppose AB is the beam, cantilever beam, only one point load that is acting at B. So we know that in the cantilever one is fixed end and other one is free end. So at the free end one load, that is W. So we will draw shear force and bending moment diagram. So shear force and bending moment diagram of cantilever beam with a point load, or it is also called concentrated load. So what is the procedure? First of all, we will discuss what is the procedure, then we will come to a numerical. So the procedure is, at first we will start shear force calculation from free end. That means from free end, from B we will start and gradually we will come and up to at end A, that is fixed end, up to that we will calculate. So now we will start calculation. Shear force. So first shear force calculation. So when we will draw, below the space will be blank, because below it shear force diagram will be there and next to bending moment diagram. So at first we will start shear force calculation. So when shear force calculate, at first we will calculate shear force at B and right of B, just right of B, right of B. Shear force at B, it is represented by shear force FB, that means shear force at B, right of B. Right of B means there is no beam and no load. Right of B, the action of the point load W Newton having right of B no effect. So shear force value, no beam, no load, shear force value will be 0. Then we will come left of B. So when we will come from right of B, again left of B, there will be an imaginary section. An imaginary section, that section is at first, say that section is XX. That section is coming right of B, then it will come left of B, then continuously it will come to point A. So first assume that section is right of B, that section XX, which is a vertical section, right of B, shear force value 0. Then section is left of B. So left of B means the section is just like this. So left of B, load value is something, that load value is W Newton. So shear force left of B, so right here just left of B. Left of B, shear force left of B. Left of B having, so left of B means right of B no effect of W, but right of B no effect, but left of B effect is magnitude value is W. So if beam will shear, it is due to W Newton. So shear force value will be W Newton. Then another thing is sign convention. Very beginning in my theory class already I have discussed about sign convention. So again I am repeating that sign convention. So sign convention, there are two sign convention for shear force. This is the sign convention. This is the sign convention. This is our imaginary section XX. If right of this section is downward, right of this section is downward and left of this section is upward, XX is section, right of the section downward. That means after shearing of the beam, right portion coming down and left portion going up, then we will consider this is positive shear force. This is a sign convention. Different book, different sign convention. Some of the book they are taking just opposite to it. So we are discussing here right of section coming down and left of section going up, positive shear force. Similarly, left of force coming down and right of section going up. And this is our section. Right of the section going up, left of the section coming down, shear force value will be negative. This is sign convention. Similarly for bending moment for beam, this is beam. For bending moment, this is a beam and this is a section. Right of the section clockwise, left of the section anti-clockwise, then we will consider negative bending moment. This is a sign convention. Two sign convention for shear force and two sign convention for bending moment. Similarly, if bending moment of the beam, right of the section anti-clockwise and left of the section is clockwise, then we will consider it positive bending moment. This sign convention you have to remember. You must be remember for bending moment two sign convention. One is positive, another negative. For shear force, one is positive, another negative. So this is the sign convention. So come back to problem. Come back to the numerical. So shear force, left of B, W Newton. Left of B means our section is this. Right of section, beam will shear and it is due to W and beam will come down. Right of this section come down means positive shear force. This value will be positive. Next, shear force at A. Shear force at A. A is the fixed point where only we will calculate shear force at A. Not right or left. Only A. A is the fixed point. Beyond A we will not able to come. So shear force at A, last point, it is FA, the value will be same W Newton and positive, because our section now arriving this A and complete beam will come down. Complete beam will come down means section right come down. So value is, so shear force, again I am repeating, shear force right of B 0, shear force left of B W Newton, shear force at A, that is also W Newton, and beam coming down, right of the section coming down, right of the section coming down means it is positive. So draw the shear force diagram. So for drawing purpose, this is vertical line at A, this is vertical line drop at B, and this is baseline. So baseline, name it A and B. So for positive value we will take above the baseline, and for negative below the baseline. So shear force at B, right of B 0, 0 means baseline. Shear force at B, right of B 0, it is baseline. Baseline is reference line 0. Shear force left of B W Newton. So mark here any distance which is representing W Newton. It is not in scale, just mark W Newton and join this. Next, shear force at A, same W. So the distance at B and distance at A same, and join by using scale and join this. It is also same W Newton, and mark here it is positive. So this is all about shear force diagram. And in the theory we have already discussed the procedure of point load. Shear force diagram will be rectangular in nature and bending moment diagram will be inclined straight line. So in my theory you can able to see, if you watch my video of theory of shear force and bending moment, you can able to know. So this is all about shear force diagram. Next we will go for bending moment calculation, bending moment diagram. So before drawing bending moment diagram, we will start bending moment calculation. bending moment calculation. So bending moment calculation, during shear force we are taking right of B, left of B and shear force at A, but for bending moment exactly the value at B and the value at A. So bending moment at A, it is mathematically represented MA is equal to what will be the value. So bending moment at B, W Newton is load is acting W Newton but no perpendicular distance. Load value W Newton but no perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance no means nil, means 0. So bending moment value at A 0. Next bending moment at B, bending moment at B. Bending moment at first I will calculate bending moment. We are coming from right side. Bending moment at B, that is MB. Bending moment at B point, starting point. Just like shear force, we are coming from right. For bending moment also we will start from right. Right means at B. So bending moment at B. Load is W Newton. But perpendicular distance is no perpendicular distance. So W is acting exactly at B. So bending moment value will be 0. Next, last point, bending moment at A, that is represented by MA. So now at A, bending moment value at A, load value W Newton and perpendicular distance value L. So bending moment value will be W into L, and it is represented by Newton and distance unit is Newton meter. Suppose it is L meter suppose. So bending moment at A, W into L. Then sign convention. This is the sign convention. Right of the section clockwise. Now our section is at A. So right of the section, this W Newton creating the moment. Right of the section clockwise. So it is negative bending moment. Negative. And value will be minus. So at A, WL, again repeating, bending moment we will start calculation from right, just like shear force. Bending moment at B and bending moment at A. So at B, load is there W Newton and no perpendicular distance. So bending moment value 0. Next bending moment at A, load value W Newton and perpendicular distance is L meter. So value will be W into L and sign convention negative bending moment. Now we will draw bending moment diagram. So draw baseline. This is A, this is B. So bending moment at B 0. 0 means baseline. At A, bending moment value is W into L. So mark any distance representing W into L. It is a negative value. So below the baseline. But here just write WL, not minus WL. WL itself representing negative value. Newton meter. Now join by using scale. Straight inclined line. So this is just like and join this. So this is negative and it is all about. So this is main diagram, next to it shear force diagram, and next to it bending moment diagram. Shear force diagram is positive, bending moment diagram is negative, and the value is WL Newton meter. So it is all about theory question. Thank you.